Bike Citizen Cycling Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get cycling apps wrong. They assume they are only for tracking distance or speed. The surprising truth about Bike Citizens is that it's a navigation and community platform designed specifically for urban cyclists, and you won't believe how much easier it makes commuting and exploring your city. Here's how it works. Bike Citizens provides turn-by-turn navigation, route planning, and safe-to-focus features tailored for bicycles. Users can choose routes optimized for speed, safety, or scenic value, and discover cycling-friendly infrastructure like bike lanes, trails, and parking spots. For example, a commuter navigating a new city can plan a daily route that avoids heavy traffic, highlights safe crossings, and calculates estimated travel time. Most people get this wrong. They assume GPS apps are enough, but Bike Citizens considers real-world cycling conditions, like road surfaces and traffic density. Additional features include offline maps, integration with fitness trackers, personalized route suggestions, and community-shared routes. Users praise its accuracy, ease of use, and the motivation it provides for cycling regularly. However, there are considerations. Some advanced features require a subscription, and coverage varies by city. Most people assume urban cycling is chaotic. Bike Citizens actually helps you feel safer and more confident on the road. In conclusion, Bike Citizens is ideal for urban cyclists who want reliable navigation, safer routes, and a sense of community. It's perfect for both commuting and exploring new areas by bike. Subscribe for more honest reviews of cycling and fitness apps.